I'm a low-carb master chef for Evergreen. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make these delicious roasted pumpkin hummus bowls with some couscous on the side and some pomegranate. The reason I chose this dish is because both pumpkin, I'm using a butternut squash, and pomegranate are both in season at the moment, so you can get them for cheaper and also locally grown, which is awesome. And of course the dish also tastes delicious. So if you want to see how to prepare this easy but delicious meal, make sure to keep watching. So we're going to start with carving up the pumpkin. This is a butternut squash and I'll be using about half of it. So what I have here is some dried oregano. This is some cumin, some garlic, coriander. I have some ginger, this is turmeric, smoked paprika and some cinnamon. So I've cut up the pumpkin into small pieces. As you can see, they're not all the same size, but it only matters that they're roughly the same size, otherwise the small pieces might burn easier. So make sure that they're about the same size. And I have a big baking tray here, so I'm just going to spray it to make sure that the pumpkin doesn't burn. And then I'm gonna put the spice mix on top of the pumpkin. So all the pieces of pumpkin are now coated with some olive oil, the spice mix and some pepper and salt. I already preheated the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna put them in for about 25 minutes, maybe half an hour. It really depends on how small or big you make the pumpkin chunks. So make sure to keep an eye on it after like 20 minutes because you don't want them to burn, obviously. So I'm just going to put these in and I'll be back soon. So here I have 400 grams of chickpeas and they are drained. Make sure to keep a few chickpeas ahead for serving because it looks really pretty if you put some on after you made the hummus. So I'm going to leave a few in here. Then I have half a cup of tahini. With hummus, it usually is the fresher your ingredients are, the better the hummus will taste, as if with a lot of dishes. So make sure to have like a good tahini. Then I have the lemon juice of half a lemon. And I have 2 cloves of garlic, they're already peeled. You don't have to cut them up because we will be mixing it up in a second. And the chickpea brine I will be adding gradually. The same goes for the salt, so that we can taste in the meantime and see if we need more of any of these. So the final element of our hummus bowl is the couscous. It's quite easy to prepare. There are more traditional ways to prepare it, so if you're used to a traditional way, this is completely wrong, but this is quite the easy way and a lot of students like to do it the easy way. So hot or boiling water, preferably hot and not boiling anymore. Couscous, raisins, salt and cinnamon. What I'm going to do is add the hot water to the couscous and then the raisins and then the salt and cinnamon. So in front of me are all the ingredients and all the dishes we just prepared to make a delicious couscous hummus bowl. So we're going to start with putting on some couscous. And that's it. Here are your delicious hummus bowls with roasted pumpkin and couscous. So, time to taste. It smelled really good in the kitchen, so I hope it's going to be good. Let me just get a bit of everything. There we go. Yeah, that's really good. The flavors really work well together, like so well. I like the flavor of all the spices together with the hummus. Yeah, like I said before, it's really comfort food. I'm gonna finish this. Thank you all so much for watching. The full recipe with all the quantities of exactly what I use will be in the comments. Let me know if you made it and have a good day. Thanks for watching.